Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Nexa token. Now the Nexa token is getting a brand new central exchange listing March 7th. Today is March 4th, so in 3 days this token will be listed on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on how to get this token and the info on it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Nexa token. So Nexa is being listed March 7th, 14 hours UTC time on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, how you'd get this token is you'd simply go through that Mexc referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Nexa, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you'd simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So yeah, 14 hours, March 7th, Mexc Global. Mexc Global is a great exchange with tons of new crypto tokens and coins listed on there all the time. Super low fees, so check that Mexc Global referral code out if you don't have an account. So it says Nexa is a proof of work OTXO layer 1 blockchain with native tokens and smart contracts that has the ability to scale for global P2P usage. By utilizing hardware to scale, Nexa removes two of the most important bottlenecks for scalability: signatures and UTXO lookups. Now, total supply of this token is 21 trillion tokens. Now, they have, well, actually, this is a coin. I keep using the word token, but it's a coin because it's running on its own blockchain. Technically, I might use the word token and coin interchangeably, just so you're aware, but it is a coin. Now, Discord, Telegram, Twitter, they have all those listed on their webpage, and they have their own block explorer on here, and their webpage you can find at nexa.org. So it says, Nexa, a digital economy with capacity for all. Nexa is the most scalable blockchain ever built. It will handle over 10 million transactions per day while offering EVM-like smart contracts and native token services, all while staying decentralized. So you can, there's a quick start guide on their webpage if you're interested in using Nexa, and they have exchanges, Discord, Telegram, wallet links, all these things on here. So why Nexa matters? First is global capacity. Thanks to Nexa's unique POW, that's proof of work, algorithm, Nexa will scale to over 10 billion transactions per day. That's enough capacity for the whole planet. No high fees and no waiting around for your transaction to be secured. This is thanks to new technology to remove the bottlenecks of bandwidth, storage, and computation speed nodes. They also have native tokens. So tokens are a market-validated use case for cryptocurrency, which will be significant and bring significant amounts of value to the network effects to Nexa. This is why Nexa offers token functionality natively without any need for special smart contracts or token standards like ERC20. But if you need the full power of smart contracts for your token, you have that too. They also have native NFTs. NFTs can be created much like fungible tokens on Nexa. These can be used for endless exciting functions, including digital artwork, asset ownership, tickets, in-game items, certificates, or all sorts of yet-to-be-discovered use cases. All the same incredible functionality open to tokens is also available to NFTs, meaning the sky is the limit. They also have WISE contracts. So Nexa uses an ultra-scalable smart contract system, which enables practically everything possible on an EVM chain without the major scaling bottlenecks suffered by Turing-complete networks. We call these WISE contracts because not only are they smart, but also wise in how network resources are used. So POW scaling. Nexa's proof-of-work algorithm uses the enormous scaling power of mining incentives to bring new hardware into existence. It incentivizes the creation of hardware that nodes will make use of to accelerate transaction validation to a speed not seen on any other blockchain. And lastly, instant transactions. Transactions are instantly sent across the network thanks to the miner rules of the network. This is enough security for certain transactions. Soon, a new technology will be brought to Nexa that enables instant trustless transactions of any amount. Anyone will be able to choose to have their payments credited instantly. So it goes over the metrics of the Nexa blockchain on here. It has the supply, market cap, capacity. You can use it on platforms like Windows, OS X, Linux, Android. Launch type was fair launch. The network it uses UTXO plus POW, max supply, 21 trillion. All that type of stuff is on here. So who is building Nexa? Nexa has been built and continues to be maintained and upgraded by Bitcoin Unlimited, a 7-year-old organization and team of crypto OGs who have combined experience of over 70 years building in crypto. Bitcoin Unlimited software has been the backbone of Bitcoin and then Bitcoin Cash, enabling billions of dollars in mining and economic infrastructure to operate successfully for years. Bitcoin Unlimited has now driven all of this extensive knowledge and experience into Nexa to enable many industry-leading innovations. Nexa is a decentralized project, of course, which means anyone can get involved and build the products, tools, and services they feel are important. There's news articles at the bottom of their page. There's all sorts of links to socials. They show some tweets on here. It talks about funding, marketing and logos, and then all sorts of social links, at the bottom of the page, and other links as well. Check this out, nexa.org. This coin will be listed on Mexc Global on March 7th, so check out that Mexc Global referral code in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.